Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBPUSD, the cable. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, FOMC. Federal Reserve hikes rate by 50 bps. It was expected after the CPI, but FOMC signals rate to rise to 5.1% next year. So there will be hike in interest rate next year as well. So as a result, when the news came out, there was a massive candle on the chart of DXY, but ultimately it settled as a doji here. Okay, and ultimately we can see that there is not much significant change on the chart of DXY. DXY was under the dominance of sellers, and we can see that sellers are still dominating DXY. Okay, right now DXY is standing at 103.84. And as I have been repeatedly saying that we do not have any strong support on the chart of DXY. The trend line that we can see right now is just a normal support, temporary support, where market is trying to form a temporary support zone here. But is this a good support? Not at all. Do we have any good support, immediate support on the chart of DXY? Not at all. So if market breaks or DXY breaks the support level and starts falling, then there may be a big fall again. Okay, but in case it starts going up or tries to recover DXY, then there will be multiple resistances as well. First of all, we have the resistance in the form of a trend line again at the top. You can see here, and also the 50 moving average. So 104.60 is a first resistance. Then we have 105.50, 107, multiple resistances on the chart of DXY. So overall, things are not very positive for DXY still yet. Okay. And today is important because today we have got some few high impact news. BOE, Bank of England interest rate decision. Yes, this will bring some volatility to the GBP pairs, all the GBP pairs, and we have initial jobless claims. Initial jobless claims is not a is not the extreme form of a event, okay, but still it will bring some volatility. Okay, not like NFP or FOMC, but still it will bring some volatility to USD pairs. And yes, BOE interest rate decision will be important for all the GBP pairs. Okay, so please be careful during the news. Okay, be in touch with any economy calendar. Now let's head towards the chart of GBP USD. On the chart of GBP USD, as we have been discussing about the trend line for a long time, and surprisingly the trend line is still acting as a dynamic support for the market. We can see that though market is losing momentum, okay, though market is losing momentum, but still it is not breaking the trend line and going down. Okay, so this was a this was a surprise for me, to be honest. Okay. And we can see the market is heading towards the trend line again. So technically the trend line is still a valid support for the market, but as we all know that if market tests a level too many times, market already tested a trend line 7 to 8 times, so it is very risky for us to trust the trend line again. So if market comes down again, listen to me carefully. If market comes to the trend line again, observe the market first. Okay, observe the market first. As you can see right now, that there is not much volatility going on in the market. Okay, unlike gold. Okay, there is not much volatility. So if market comes to the trend line or around 1.2310, 1.2300, observe the market. To be honest, I will avoid buying a trend line. I will simply rely on the levels from the Fibonacci retracement. Observe the market around 1.2310, 1.2300, because we have the trend line as well as the Fibonacci 23.6% retracement level. Okay, if the volatility of the market remains like this, there is a possibility that market will take support and bounce. If market bounces, you can go for a buy position. Okay, but keep in mind that this is just the support from the Fibonacci. So as a result, you need the confirmation first. After all, it's a hard-earned money. We need to protect it, isn't it? So if market comes to the level, observe the market. If you see the market forming a hammer pattern or market showing good price rejection from below, you can consider taking a buy position. In case due to good volatility or good selling pressure, if market breaks this level, do not take a sell position immediately, because as we can clearly see on the chart that this market is an uptrend. So as a result, taking a sell position in an uptrend market can be risky. It can be trap as well, because many times we see that after breaking the support or after breaking the trend line in an uptrend market goes for stop loss hunting and starts going up again. It traps these sellers, okay, and it starts going up. If market breaks also the level of 1.2300, okay, do not take sell position and wait for the market to come to the second support, which is around 1.2230. Again, this is a Fibonacci 38.2% retracement level, and the third support is 1.2160, 1.2150. Okay, considering the trend of the market, see, I'm recording this video in the Asian session, so considering the trend of the market, what I have seen, I can see is the market is an uptrend. So as a result, I will not recommend any sell position. If during the day, especially during the US session, market shows extreme volatility and the trend changes, then that's a different chapter. You need to trade accordingly. But in this present structure, okay, it's always better to take a buy position at support. Okay, so these three are the support levels: 1.2160, 1.2150, because this is the Fibonacci 50% retracement level, as well as we can see market showing price rejection from below in this area. Above that, we have 1.2230, which is the Fibonacci 38.2% retracement level, as well as previous price rejection from below. And at the top, the first support is 1.2310 to 1.2300. If you want, then you can just take a screenshot also. On the other hand, we have 1.2430, 1.2450 at the top. Is this a resistance? Not precisely, okay, but yes, this is the previous high, which is right now acting as a minor resistance for the market. Okay, so as a result, if market breaks the level of 1.2450 during the day, do not take a buy position immediately. After the news, if market breaks with extreme volatility, then that's a different chapter. But without news, if you see a breakout, do not take a buy position immediately, because during CPI, market failed to cross this level. Okay, during FOMC, we saw crazy up move, but still market failed. Okay, so as a result, there is a fear of false breakout. So what you need to do is, okay, the only medicine is to buy at retracement. So before the news, if you see market breaking 1.2450 level, wait for the market to come down a little bit. If market comes for consolidation, you can go take a buy position. Buying at retracement or pullback is a safer entry. Yeah, that is a safer entry for us. So this is it. Hopefully you have understood. Okay, this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well, so please follow proper risk management. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Bye bye, take care, see ya tomorrow.